AI is changing how we work, learn, and create. Work, learn, create faster than any tech shift in our lifetime. From writing emails, designing visuals, planning your week, AI isn't sci-fi anymore. It's a daily advantage. Today, I'm breaking it down so you can start using it with confidence. On screen, a beginner's guide to using AI. Hook over. Value time. Part 1. What is AI? AI is software that learns patterns from data to make predictions, generate content, or automate tasks. Think of it like a smart assistant that turns instructions, your prompts, into results. The key types you'll hear: generative AI chatbots, image models, what matters for you, clarity in what you ask, and judgment in what you accept. On screen, be clear, verify results. Part 2. Top AI tools for daily productivity. ChatGPT, your everyday co-pilot for writing, brainstorming, and learning. Use it to draft emails, outline presentations, summarize articles, plan projects. Pro tip: give context, audience, tone, and examples. On screen, ChatGPT, write. Summarize, plan Gemini. Google's AI that plugs into Drive, Docs, Sheets, and the web. Ask it to analyze a spreadsheet, turn notes into slides, research a topic with sources. Great for connected workflows. On screen, Gemini, research, analyze, organize Mid-Journey, text to image for stunning visuals. Perfect for mock-ups, thumbnails, brand styles, concept art. Iterate by refining your prompt and using variations. On screen, Mid-Journey, design, visualize, iterate together. These cover words, research, and visuals, the core of modern knowledge work. Part 3. Practical tips to start today. 1. Pick one workflow. Choose a task you do weekly, like reports, emails, and automate 20% with AI. 1. Use the CAST prompt. Context: who, what, why. Ask the exact output you want. Style, tone, length, format, time, deadline, or cadence. 1. Iterate. If the first result isn't right, add examples, constraints, and what to avoid. 1. Verify. Cross-check facts, cite sources, and keep sensitive info out of prompts. 1. Build a swipe file. Save your best prompts and results so you improve over time. 1. Set boundaries. AI assists. You decide. Keep your voice and your standards. On screen, start small. Iterate. Verify. Own your work. If this unlocked ideas, your next step is simple. Visit SearchAIFinder.com for guides, tool comparisons, and real-world workflows you can copy today. On screen, SearchAIFinder.com, guides, reviews, workflows. Supercharge your day with AI, one task at a time. Call to action. Head to SearchAIFinder.com now.